Okay, now we're going to show you how to put together a pallet racking workbench. We just clip in the bottom beam. Just note they have a safety pin, so they lock in together. Repeat the procedure in the back. Just make sure your clip goes in. No worries, then we'll put our bottom board in. Note we have a step beam here, so your board should just slip straight in. And that's that. Now we can grab our top beams and just put our top beams in. Just to note, we have taken the safety pins out of this and we've actually put it together with a nut and a bolt to make it stronger. Okay, now we're going to put our nut and our bolt in. Now we have a washer as well we're going to put in the back, which will catch my nut after I drop it. I'm just going to repeat the procedure the way around. I'm just going to grab our gun and tighten them up. Okay, and that's done. That's your bench top nice and secure. Now we're just going to place our top board on. Just make sure it's nice and level and exactly where you want to fix it. Okay, now we're going to fix it in with some wing tex. Just line up where you want to do. Make sure you drill into the middle of the beam. Just as you go, just make sure your bench is nice and square. And that's it, assembled. Okay, now we're going to show you how to put a backboard up. First of all, we're going to put the back beams in. They just have a clip, they just clip straight in like that. Put the top one in. Just knock it down and make sure the clips go in. Now we'll grab the backboard. And I'm just going to place it into position. Make sure it's nice and level at the ends. Get someone to hold it for you. And we're going to pre-drill it. And just make sure you line up where it's going to drill to. Alright, now I'm just going to grab a wing tack and check it. And that's good. That's how you go. And then just repeat the procedure. Okay, now I've pre-drilled all my holes already. So I'm just going to go along and put my wing tex here to fix the board securely. And there you go, backboard secured.